This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place so the rest works smoothly. Download and sign into the Xbox app now because it handles streaming and Game Pass access. Next, connect your controller, USB for lowest latency, Bluetooth if you prefer wireless, or use the Xbox wireless adapter for best compatibility. Once done, make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated and game mode is enabled. This reduces background interruptions and prioritizes gaming performance, which you want before launching anything heavier. Now you connect the PC to your Xbox library or console. If using a physical console, enable Remote Play on the console and pair it in the Xbox app. This streams your console to the PC. If you use cloud gaming, sign into Game Pass Ultimate and select the nearest region for lower latency. Then configure streaming quality. Start with 720p at 30 FPS to test stability, and increase to 1080p or 60 FPS if your connection and hardware keep up, because higher settings demand more bandwidth and GPU resources. Finish by tailoring controls and performance so gameplay feels right. Map controller buttons if necessary, enable VSync or FreeSync to reduce tearing, and launch the game from the Xbox app to ensure Game Pass features work. Test audio routing for headset and party chat. Switching outputs can fix missing voice audio. If you hit lag or stuttering, try a wired connection, lower streaming resolution, or restart the Xbox app and your router. Those steps resolve most network and app state issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.